BODDAMN, and in this video, a real quick improvised chest and tricep workout. That's right, I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna put a workout together, I'm gonna show you exactly the exercises I pick. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris with the BODDAMN channel. This channel is all about food, fitness, and how to live an active, healthy lifestyle. And I'm outside of the gym. It's time to do a chest and tricep workout. I want to share it with you guys. So let's get in there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Beautiful day outside. And yeah, find me on Instagram at BODDAMN as well. There's a free guide on how to build some really awesome, high quality muscles. The first link down below. Go get it. Let's get in the gym. Let's see what kind of exercises I put together. So we're in the gym here with my friend LaFar. Anyway, so the very first exercise is actually pec deck fly, and we're gonna pick that exercise because it is a little bit more low stress and it can assist with warming up the pectoral muscle. So about, I don't know, 55 degrees outside. When we got in here, we're still very cold. You have to make sure you do a proper warm up if you wanna get an awesome workout. All right, so on the pec deck fly, you wanna line up at least your fist with an elevated elbow in line with your chest. So it's really important. You don't want your wrist to be like way down here, and you don't want your wrist to be way up here. So fist, wrist, whatever, in line with your pectoral muscle. You always want to keep your elbows kind of high when you're doing this, like this, right? You can transfer all the pressure to your chest at that point. I'm doing a set of 2x20 to warm up, real light, and then our actual sets will be 3x12 reps. Now, bench press is good for overall chest development. It's probably the #1 chest building exercise you can do. So here, I'm thinking a 3x8 or something like that. 3 sets of 8 reps with about a minute to a minute and a half in between for a rest period. And yeah, from there we'll see what other kind of exercises I pick, but gotta get bench press out of the way right now. Now we're gonna do like the hammer incline machine right here. We're gonna put some plates on here. This is a really good machine that gives a very dedicated movement, which means you can put it on a lot of weight on this and really stress the upper part of the pectoral muscle. So this is gonna be the 3rd exercise today. We'll probably do a 3x8 here as well. And yeah, so it's also known as the hammer incline press. In most gyms it'll be called a hammer. So you'll know it is the same machine because it travels on one path, and there's the joint right there. All right, so like the main question is like, where do you sit? Because you want to make sure that the actual handle lines up your nipple, all right? So very important. That means you have to adjust the seat usually. So try here, let's sit back. Handle higher than nipple, not good. So we want to go higher than that. Right about here, handle aligned with nipple. This is where I want to be starting. Okay, so here we have decline hammer. This is going to be the next thing. So this is the 4th exercise we're doing, 3x8. 3 sets, 8 reps. Sit in the chair, make sure that the handle lines up with your nipple. This one is a dedicated motion since it's a hammer machine. And you basically almost press down, squeezing your chest as you do it. So 3x8, hammer decline press. It's a wonderful exercise to really target the lower pectoral region now. Set an incline bench to about 60. So it's very aggressive incline. We're gonna do incline flies for the upper chest, 3x12 now. This is the last chest exercise with a superset of 3x10 diamond head push-ups or close grip push-ups. So basically 2 things back to back when I say superset. And let's get to these flies right now. So super incline fly, superset, diamond head push-up, about 10 reps, something like that. So that was a lot of fun. Now we're gonna move over to triceps, and we're gonna begin the very first one with tricep overhead dumbbell press. Really good to get a nice stretch in the triceps. We're gonna go for about 12 reps, 3x12 on this, standing, or you can do seated if you really want to. Tricep overhead dumbbell press. Let's get to it. Next up is weighted tricep dips. So you want to get some weight. You need a belt and chain, and then you need a dip station of some sort like this. We'll do a 3x8 here. This is really good for super awesome overall tricep development. Make sure you get a full range of motion, so real deep and all the way to the top where you squeeze your tricep out. But yeah, 3x8 of this one, and this is the second tricep movement we do today. We'll probably have a third one and we'll be done. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is tricep press down. It's really good, get a cable into a high position like this, and then we're gonna be pressing down with these ropes. And then we're gonna be doing a 2x12 of that, and then also a 2x12 in more or less like, not the mid position, but a little bit higher than mid position, where we're gonna be doing tricep kickbacks with a long rope, 2x12 of that. About a minute in between. So it'll be 2 sets there, 2 sets here, and that'll be it. Yeah, by this time in the workout, you know, triceps are definitely kind of cashed. So with these kind of cable movements with the ropes, you don't want to be putting much weight at all. The goal is really to get the tricep head to pop out and not have a whole lot of weight swinging in any kind of manner. So we want to get this guy to pop out. So I'm on 20, maybe even 15 pounds. It's not very much. So I had to actually move this up a little bit because what we want to do is we want to aggressively bend forward. Notice how my body is in line with this cable, and that's what we want to be for the tricep kickback, right? So you have to line up your body, 45-degree angle. This is in a not midpoint position, but not the midpoint to the top. It's where this thing is spinning out of. Long rope, and basically just kick back. Not much weight. All we're looking to do is burn out the muscle now. All right, back at the house, and that's the workout. I hope you enjoyed the footage and it inspires you maybe to copy the exact same workout, do it for your chest and tri day, or you know, at least you get some science behind why we picked the rep ranges and you know, how we structured, you know, where we sat in the machines and like the angles and everything. But anyway, make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave a comment down below what kind of video you want to see next. I'll see you on the next BODDAMN video. Take it easy. Goodbye.